Ivy? Have you ever seen what happens when a nice guy gets angry?
What?
Yeah, you know what we will do to you?
What?
No, come back here. I'm gonna make sure you don't see tomorrow. I'm going to exterminate you. Yeah, run. Run, that's what I thought. That's what I thought, Ivy, run.
Yeah, you better run.
Before you get exterminated.
I'm not human. Trust me.
What?
I'll do.
Come back
I'll
here,
do something
Ivy.
for you.
What?
Oh,
You
my
won't
music turned
see
off.
it.
Okay, come on. Come back, Ivy.
You won't see daylight again.
What?
Wait,
This
which one
is
are
your
you
last
using?
supper. It's all the way at the bottom.
Your last meal.
Come here. This is your fate.
Make sure to play it again. We're gonna walk you all the way back. Keep
Oh, wait,
going
my
back.
music turned off again.
I'm a man.
Feast
Wait,
your
really?
eye.
Even
You're a
better.
Yeah, I'm a man.
Even better.
Whoa! No, I'm not.
Yeah, can we drive off
I got-
please?
I gotta
Thank
like
you. I appreciate this.
LeBron.
You need to have a cape on.
I'm LeBron. I'm better. I'm LeBron. Don't
E hoje eu não quero mais pegar você.
It's playing Golden Hour. What is happening? Hello, Michael Jackson.
Okay, I got it. Wait, come to the tower thing again.
Wait, what's your name again? Your name is Anderdingus? Anderdingus.
Mira.
Is your name Anderdingus?
No, Mira.
Wait, your name is Anderdingus? Wait, what's your name again? Bro,
Mira.
I heard Anderdingus. Wait, what's your name again?
My name is Anderdingus.
Dude, you're scaring me. What happened? Why are you not the royal one anymore? Oh,
Yeah, he got muted.